Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I am enjoying retirement here out at the National Haunted House Convention that happens in St. Louis, Missouri every year. In the back, you can see there's a giant monster display that's set up. This convention goes all the way to the end of that string of lights back there. Here, everybody comes out to celebrate Halloween, have some fun, and we spin around and show you this other booth behind me. Lots of fun here. Just as a general statement about the economy, I talked to a vendor or two. They say sales are pretty good this year, maybe a little bit up. But as I walk around, this is the Saturday of the event. I would say there's not nearly as many guests or parishioners as there have been in years past on a Saturday. So a few less folks wandering around the convention. Hopefully sales are good, but just wanted to give you kind of a general economic update. There's clearly not as many patrons here at this convention as there have been in the past, but there's still a lot of booths. The entire convention center is filled up, which is a great thing because after COVID, the first year or two after that, there was not a full convention here. So just as a general economic indicator, thought I'd share that with you here at the National Trans World Halloween Party Show happening here in St. Louis, Missouri. Just give you a generic update on the economy. Hopefully you can make some use that to make some of your own investment decisions. But again, not as many people as in the past, but still plenty of people coming out, and folks are spending money trying to run their businesses. So cheers, like, subscribe. Thanks so much. We'll see you. Bye.